Well, good morning everyone who present here, and also myself Arvind Pratap, and today I'm here to discuss about some basic disorders that can be seen as superpowers. See, they are not really superpowers, but they kind of feel like one. Okay, now some basic things. Let me explain the term disorder. Disorders are types of diseases that have unique symptoms and unique type of activities in it. Now, the first one is little too famous and kinda you can find it in movies too. The MPD and DID. Name can be different, but the thing is literally same. MPD is multiple personality disorder. DID means dissociative identity disorder. The words are different, but the meaning is same. And in it, you have kind of too many different personalities, multiple perspectives, multiple thinking ability, multiple pain consistency, and too many things different. It literally have disadvantages cause you really don't know what you are doing that time, or sometimes you really don't know cause you don't know what type of personality of yours is going on. Now let's talk some advantages too. In it you have literally so many perspective thing, like you can take many things as in from different view. Now, the second one, and literally the second one is one of my favorite kind of disorder. Now, you may feel like how kind of person is this? Favorite kind of disorder? After listening this disorder's abilities, you may like it too. The disorder is Seventh syndrome, and it have kind of symptoms like you have powers. You can say you have abilities to remember things more than more than others. Like you can draw a whole city by just seeing it once. You have fast calculations more than calculator. You can literally like a superhuman, but not one. Now it can may also have disadvantages cause it's hard for you to forget things, and it is hard sometimes to handle it. Now the third one is hypermethyssia. Now, this is not my favorite one, and also may not feel like it too, cause in it you really can't forget things. It's like a curse. Now, what happens in it? In hypermethyssia, it's kind of disorder that brings symptoms as hyper memory, or you can say the super memory. You literally can't forget the whole thing. You have memory stored in your mind from childhood to till your death. Like you remember every date, you remember every day, you remember every time what happened this time and that time. Why I'm saying that it's not my favorite one and it's like curse? Because you can't forget the past traumas, you can't forget all those things that bring you in pain and everything. So these are three kind of symptoms that can be seen as superpowers, but also have some disadvantages, as I explained. Now, in the end of my speech, let me tell some about superpowers too. One person said that if superpowers is like boon, then it's also like a curse. God, it brings bad luck, and you have to make hard choices in your life. So that's all about my speech, and I hope you like it, and I hope you get all the points about these symptoms and these disorders. Have a great day.
Nice.